In today's video, I'll show you how to insert charts and tables in Beautiful.ai. First, search for Beautiful.ai in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, select the presentation where you want to add a chart or table. After opening the presentation, you'll be on the editing page. Click the slide where you want to insert the chart or table as the next page. Then click Add Slide. To add a chart, go to the search bar and type Chart. From the options, select the chart type you want, then click it to add it to your slide. Once the chart is added, you can start editing the data. Click Edit Data, then enter your desired values. You can also customize the chart itself. Click Chart to change its appearance. If you're using a pie chart, you'll see an option to switch it to a donut chart, which you can toggle on if you prefer. Under Data Formatting, choose whether you want the values shown as percent, number, or currency. You can also turn off Sort by Size if you want manual control. If you want to add a legend, simply enable the legend option and choose where you want it positioned. You can also scale or rotate the chart to better fit your slide. To add a table, click Add Slide again. Then type Table in the search bar and select a table layout from the options. From here, you can start editing the table by typing in your data. You can also change the theme colors and adjust the text size. In addition to text, you can choose different data types such as number, currency, date, percent, or even icons, depending on what you need. And that's it. That's how you insert charts and tables in Beautiful.ai.